What is the intention of japa? Simple. Two words. Attention connection and attention embrace. My action should be such a way that my attention should be on the Nama. And that is why we are saying concurrent chanting come hearing. If you do, attention will be there. So, therefore, the intention in japa is, whenever say intention means, what do you intend to achieve through that action? Okay, I take my japa mala and I am chanting. First thing that should come is, hey, I am going to do some action. What do I intend by this action? Oh, by this action I intend to welcome the Lord. And then I have to hear the Lord attentively. Intention is to attentively hear. My intention of action of japa is attention connection. If I am doing mindless japa, then I don't even have intention. What to speak of desire to please Krishna, what to speak of that burning purpose right behind everything. None of those things are there. Imagine how powerful your japa will be. Your purpose also you know. You know your desire also. How that purpose trickles down into desire, different desires. Desire to please the deities, desire to please the Nama, desire to read Bhagavatam, desire to hear Krishna's Bhagavad Gita, all those different desires to please, which will lead you to that, awakening. Associate with the holy name, to engage in soulful japa. So that is the reason I said, we have discussed many things, mindful japa and all this. Above all of them, this purpose, desire and intention. Purpose is to feel a sense of completeness in japa. Purpose of desire of japa is to exchange pleasantries with Krishna. Means what? With every bead I should please him the way he has told. If I simply be connected to him and desire to be connected to him, I want him, one more, he is pleased. When you're hearing a person's talk, you go with a need, and when he speaks, when you get that knowledge, then you feel the need is being fulfilled, and therefore you continue to give your attention. Similarly, if you don't feel a need for sense of completeness, and if you don't have the faith that with Krishna, with japa, I will feel a sense of completeness. And if you have faith that, yes, I will feel completeness by associating with Krishna, Nama, who is non-different from Krishna, I will feel completeness. Once you have that faith, then your need becomes very strong. Intention comes out of a need. See, again, go back to, this is a psychology, intention. When I have an intention for something, I have a need for that. To fulfill that need, I have that intention. What is my need? I need to connect with the Lord. As long as I don't connect with the Lord, my attention will not stay there.